Good morning, beautiful people. Thank you for coming to my channel. It's such a beautiful day out here in Queens, New York. I know you guys have been looking at my gardening journey, and I have not been doing a good job as to letting y'all know what's going on, but don't feel like y'all are out the loop because I ain't doing nothing yet, really, but plant the strawberries that y'all saw me plant. So I had my gardener get back here together for me because I do plan on planting some stuff back here. I told you guys before, I've already planted. This vine is from last year. I planted this one last year, and you can see it budding. I was very, very nervous because it definitely looked like a dead stick for a little while, but it's budding, so I'm happy. This grape vine I just purchased this year, and I planted it when I planted the white strawberries with you guys. So we got to get all of this stuff together. I need to hook up my new hoses because my old hoses are all jacked up. But the weather has finally broken, and it's not freezing in that stupid brisk air outside. So yeah, all of this is ready for planting. Let me ask you guys a question. So my neighbor is planting as well, and this always comes up from her yard on the other side, and I do not know why, and I do not know what it is. I haven't had a chance to ask her what it is yet. But y'all see this plant? This has specifically vined under the gate to come over here to visit me. Okay. Here's the strawberries, guys. I told you the weather hasn't really broke yet, so I'm seeing new plants bud. That's a new plant. I don't know if y'all seen that one. That's one of the Sweet Carolinas. I don't remember the name of it, but that one's budding extra plant. So the strawberries are doing really, really well. Look at all of that new growth. Remember, I also told you guys that I was going to get this part ready. Now, I definitely did this part in front of the gate. And I did half of this, but I had my gardener do the rest of it because trying to do a big old yard with these little hand tools was really stupid. I do have the big tools in my shed, but I was being lazy. All of the garbage that flies over here because the bus stop is right there. But yeah, so it's about that time for me to hook up my hoses and start watering this daggone earth because it's time to plant some plants and start the process of gardening. All right, guys. I'm going to have a new video coming for y'all soon because I need to start my seedlings. I definitely was supposed to start them a long time ago. I told y'all I was starting them a long time ago, but y'all know I did not do what I said I was going to do, but I'm going to do it now. See y'all in a few. Enjoy this beautiful day.